Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the GitHub projects. I'll be showing you guys how can you track your progress in a project in your repository. So let's jump right into it. Now, here I open up an article that closely explains the idea of tracking your projects. In order to do so, if the project tracking is enabled, a progress bar appears above the project. Now, on the project listing page, in the issue sidebar, and in references to the project on other projects. So, essentially, you'll navigate to the project where you want to enable or disable project progress tracking. In the top right side of your project screen, you will click on the menu button, which is these three dots. Click on the dots and then click on edit. So essentially, once you click on edit, you will select or deselect track project progress. If you deselect it, then it won't be tracked. If you select it, it will be tracked, and you will see the project progress as you go in deeper with your created project. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.